Okay, so I know that you guys have seen many Dalgona coffee videos and you have had enough, but I am going to show you three quick variations to the basic coffee just because it's sunny outside and I would love a cold coffee drink. 2 tablespoons of normal sugar, I'm using granulated, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and 2 tablespoons of water, and then we blend. Okay, now it's almost ready. Some ice, some milk, just really cold milk, and then some of this lovely coffee. And here it is, the Dalgona coffee. Obviously that's the classic one, and it looks pretty good. And now I'm going to show you another variation. Now the second variation is a chocolate Dalgona, and for that I have made another batch of the same coffee, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to this. And here I've got a couple of tablespoons of Nutella, and I'm going to warm it for a few seconds in the microwave. And it's warmed up, so it's a bit easier to spread. And I'm just going to drizzle some of this inside our cup. In goes some ice, lots of chilled milk, then goes in the coffee. And for the third option, I have got the same coffee mix. So here I'm going to add some ice. In goes the ice. In goes the milk. Next, the coffee. And I'm just going to make some room in this coffee. And I'm going to top this with some vanilla ice cream. Look at that. And I'm going to finish it with some homemade salted caramel sauce. and it's time for me to decide which one I like the best. I have to say that that is a lot of coffee in 1 cup. So I would say for every tablespoon is a glass. So I would divide this into 2. So that's the plain one. You have to mix it up well, but let's see. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, right. Onto the chocolate. Where it's got chocolate here. Let's see. Ooh, that's strong, but that's really good. Ooh. When you're getting a bit of Nutella. Lovely. I'll have difficulty stopping that. God, I hope someone takes all these away soon. Right. This is my favorite. That coffee with the vanilla ice cream and the caramel sauce. Oh my god, that's so good. You'll love this. Oh boy. And let the ice cream melt in the milk. And then, that is the best. That is the best. And the second is this, and this is all right, you know, it's coffee. I hope you give this a go. Yeah, and I hope you're enjoying all the recipes and trying them at home. And I'll see you back here very soon with another brand new recipe. Bye for now, before this melts.